Minister Alice Kaboyo, Minister w'enshonga za Rwenzori Ruwero Triangle, agambira bo bwabiri nabuganaho bankazirwanaho abarkwegitira mu kibiina kya Rwenzori Development Association, abebembezi korwa mu busingwa bwa Rwenzori n'abakurukurwa mu district ya Kasese. Orukiiko rugukirwaho n'enganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzori Benson Kure.
The issue of the palace, this cabinet you see here, we almost operate from our homes because we have no office. We have no office space. So the palace issue, the residence of His Majesty, both in Kasese and in Kampala, the Kazini Hotel promise, the transport of Omulere-Mbera, or the Prime Minister Nyabaole, all these are still at stake.
Plans are underway. Nacho chiriyo nichikorwaho. Echo kuisha, echo kuronde sente zo kombeka palace, kujigarraho kujidabura, nacho chiriyo mu plan. Echa Kazini Hotel, President akachirisana n'omusinga ngunaza kujugura yo kureta income omu palace.
Ogwasimire government ahabwo kutwara omusinga mu ihanga lya Take okutungirayo obujanjabi.
And to thank government and to thank His Excellency the President and request you to take our message that we are very grateful at the Kingdom for His Excellency the President taking His Majesty Omusinga for medication, and he has come back when he is in good spirit and ready and strong enough to work for the Kingdom.
Nowanza Hare, chairman wa bankazirwanaho ayorekera okukwatwa obuhabwa gavumenti okukyerereza sente zaabo z'akasiimo konkwa minisita abahamize ngu sente ezo ziriyo nizija.
Bakasaba ene mukoro wanda obere president utabaveterani aba bakazeriwo tikibwa mubonze emyaka 20 bali mu kisoki mubawunza obuturuku esibawete manyumba sibawete malema sibawete berirya habarerera ko bukoloni abasanga babikorachi ibari bafundikire mere munabwire obuhoro buno munabwire bukari mubere abantu abo
esente government ezine ezokushashura akasimo konka tukatutegereze namba yabo abarikwe enamba yanyu yona kwayo kandi tutegereze okutunga esente zona akasimo mu office ya Prime Minister katwire nkagera mu ebisubu abo kubani bashohoza kasente kache bakatweka Kasese bakatweka Ruwero bakatweka na Kaseke.
Godfrey Kabyanga, Minisita w'ebyakanyabwenge no kuhabura ihanga nawe ukiro mu rukiiko orashabira barwetabiremu okwetebekanisiza akarura karukuza kuterwa kwezoku no kuhagira gavumenti ya NRM.
Mutaganiza ya karuru mumuheko nebyenyu ebe namukorwa kumana mowa yorende abere balaga muri kirengekanyo kwa yuti abalaga
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.